Before authenticity became a brand promise, it was just a fact of nature. A wooden chair developed cracks from use, an oil painting yellowed over time. These were signs that something had been lived with, not manufactured to look used. But as the Industrial Revolution made mass production possible, it also made genuine history seem rare and valuable. Where becomes proof? Scratches on vintage guitars. Grain in film stock, patina isn't damage anymore, it's depth. And when demand outgrew supply, guess what happened? The paradox of manufactured patina is that the more convincing it becomes, the less trustworthy actual age seems. If a machine can simulate decades in an afternoon, what does real history even mean anymore? This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about belief systems. We've outsourced our trust in time to software filters and AI generated handwriting tools. You no longer need a century of dust, you just download it. In the process, we're creating a kind of aesthetic debt, an inflation where everything feels older.
Early computing was less about machines and more about method, the rigor application of logic to mechanize.
Long before Instagram filters or AI generated handwriting, early typographers and record producers had to solve a paradox. Mechanical perfection was cold. Consumers wanted machines that looked handmade. The linotype machine, for instance, could cast perfect lines of text, but newspaper editors insisted on built in flaws, tiny inconsistencies in font alignment, so the pages wouldn't feel sterile or impersonal. Today, we've codified this need into algorithms, MIDI plugins that humanize drum tracks by adding randomness to timing and velocity, Photoshop filters trained on film negatives to mimic grain, scratches, and chemical bleed. These aren't bugs. They're features designed for emotional resonance in a world where the synthetic is expected, but the real feels absent.
Well, a stunning warning from AI company Anthropic. The company warns the technology is moving so quickly that we actually need to pause its development before AI can just build itself and before humans lose complete control over it. Ashley Gold, Senior Technology Policy Reporter for Axios, joining us now. So, Ashley, for those of us who aren't the experts here, how would we lose control over AI? I mean, what would that look like?
What it would look like is these AI...
Roland Barthes once said that a photograph has an illogical conjunction of spatial immediacy and temporal anteriority. It's here now, but it was there then. This having been, there is the illusion we trust most blindly. But what happens when AI generates images with no referent reality at all? These fakes still claim truth by mimicking Barthes's that has been. In this new age of simulation, authenticity is not just questioned, it's replaced. Just this week, Anthropic called for a global pause in AI development, not out of altruism, but from the fear that we've lost control over what our own tools can now convincingly impersonate. We're building machines to mimic not just facts or faces, but emotions and intent. A bot writes a handwritten note with soul. An algorithm speaks in perfectly natural sounding tones as if it remembered childhood summers. The tension here is not between man and machine, but control and surrender. That they no longer need to be called fakes. They become the new originals, and we are left chasing ghosts in a hall of mirrors. This isn't just about detecting lies anymore. It's about sustaining trust when every surface is designed to look touched by time, handcrafted, or even haunted by memory. But who benefits from this endless performance? The platforms do, because they sell not truth, but the illusion of its presence.
I can self-publish, which means that now I'm a composer and a publisher all rolled up into one. That is, I have my Centauri, I generate my own music, I save it on diskette.
Barthes called it the punctum. The jagged detail in a photograph which stabs through memories. Not just evoking but demanding emotional work. It's the crusted coffee stain on a letter, or a child's handprint on a dusty window. Things you didn't ask for and never could have ordered. But what happens when wear is not an accident of time, but a design decision? When every faded corner, weathered surface, or cracked vinyl record is a product spec. Postman warned us about technopoly, a world ruled by technological logic over human values. But here's what he might have missed. In this age of manufactured nostalgia, we don't just lose history, we outsource it to algorithms. Memory is no longer recollected, it's rebranded. The past becomes product specs and emotional scaffolding for a present that never happened.